Friends, have you ever ordered dessert instead of dessert at a restaurant or told your friend, sit beside me and they gave you a weird look? English can be tricky sometimes, especially with pairs of words that sound or look similar. So in today's lesson, we are going to clear 20 plus pairs of confusing English words with fun quizzes and wonderful examples. Ready? Chalo shuru kare. The first pair is loose versus lose. Here is a small quiz for you. If your kurta is too dash, you might dash your wallet. Answer is, if your kurta is too loose, you might lose your wallet. The meaning of loose with double O is not tight, whereas the meaning of LOSE or loose is misplace or not win. For example, this kurta is a bit loose, fitting के लिए टेलर को देना पड़ेगा. And don't lose your train ticket. Second pair is beside versus besides. Here is the question for you. She sat dash me during the Durga Puja. The answer is, she sat beside me during the Durga Puja. The meaning of beside is next to, whereas the meaning of besides is in addition to. Example, come sit beside me. And besides, we still have samosas waiting after the puja. Next pair is economic versus economical. And here is your question. The scooter is very dash perfect for an dash crisis. The answer is, the scooter is very economical, perfect for an economic crisis. The word economic means related to economy, whereas the word economical means something that saves your money or resources. For example, India faced an economic slowdown in 2020 and my Activa is very economical on fuel. Next pair is especially and specially. Here is your quiz. I love sweets. My mom made gulab jamuns dash for my birthday. The answer is, I love sweets. My mom made gulab jamuns specially for my birthday. The word especially means particularly more than usual, whereas the word specially means for a specific person or purpose. For example, I love all Indian dishes, especially biryani, and my dadi made parathas specially for me. Next pair is desert versus dessert. Here is your question. After roaming in Rajasthan's dash, we enjoyed jalebi for dash. And the correct answer is, after roaming in Rajasthan's desert, we enjoyed jalebi for desert. The word desert means dry sandy land, whereas the word dessert means sweet dish after a meal. The next pair is personal versus personnel. Here is the question. This is my dash diary. The HR department manager's office dash. The answer is, this is my personal diary. The HR department manages office personnel. The word personal means private or individual, whereas the word personnel means staff or employees. Example, please don't read my personal messages. And the hospital has trained medical personnel. The next confusing pair is historic versus historical. And here is your quiz. India's independence in 1947 was a dash moment. Red Fort has many dash objects. And the correct answer is, India's independence in 1947 was a historic moment. Red Fort has many historical objects. The word historic means something which is very important in history, whereas the word historical means related to the past. For example, winning the 1983 World Cup was a historic event, and Ajanta caves have many historical paintings. The next set of confusing words are quiet, quiet, and quit. Here is your question. The classroom was dash noisy. The teacher said, be dash or I will dash teaching. The answer is, the classroom was quite noisy. The teacher said, be quiet or I will quit teaching. The word quiet means very or fairly. The word quiet means silent. And the word quit means stop or leave. For example, the metro is quite crowded in the morning. And please keep quiet in the library. And finally, he decided to quit his IT job to start a startup. And the next set is sight versus sight versus sight. Please pay attention to the spelling of these words. And here is your quiz. When writing an essay, always dash your sources. The Taj Mahal is a famous dash. Watching it at sunrise is a beautiful dash. And the correct answer is, when writing an essay, always cite your sources. The Taj Mahal is a famous sight. Watching it at sunrise is a beautiful sight. The word sight means a mention or quote, and sight is a location, whereas the word sight means something you see. The next pair is affect versus effect, and your question is pollution can badly dash your health. The dash of pollution is clearly visible in Delhi, and the correct answer is pollution can badly affect your health. The effect of pollution is clearly visible in Delhi. The word affect is a verb, whereas the word effect is a noun which means consequence. For example, stress can affect exam performance, and the new NEET policy had a big effect on students. The next pair is advice versus advice. Here is your question. My teacher always gives good dash. Yesterday she dashed me to read newspapers daily. And the correct answer is my teacher always gives good advice. Yesterday she advised me to read newspapers daily. The word advice is a noun which means suggestion, whereas the word advice is a verb which means to suggest. The next pair is compliment versus compliment. And your question is, she gave me a sweet dash on my new kurta. Mango pickle really dashes a simple rice dal meal. And the correct answer is, she gave me a sweet compliment on my new kurta. Mango pickle really compliments a simple rice dal meal. The word compliment with an I is a praise, whereas the word compliment means something that completes or goes well with. And the final pair of confusing words is stationery versus stationery. And your question is, the bus was dash at the red light. I bought pens and notebooks from the dash shop. And the correct answer is, the bus was stationary at the red light. I bought pens and notebooks from the stationery shop. The word stationery with an A is something that is not moving, whereas the word stationery with an E means writing materials. So there you go, friends. Now you'll never get confused with such words. So here is a small challenge for you. Take any pair of words from today's video, and with those words try to make sentences in the comments below. And last but not the least, please like the video and subscribe to Seco English Daily for more interesting videos. Thank you.